If you would like to elevate your life in any way to a higher place, to be able to fulfill a dharma or a destiny or something that you have created for yourself in your imagination, if you would like to be able to do that, you must change your concept of yourself. And what is your concept of yourself? Your concept of yourself is everything that you believe to be true. So you carry around this conception of yourself. And that concept that you have within says, these are all the things that I believe to be true, and they have gotten me to where I am, and I'm right here, right now. Now, if you want to get here, but you're here, and getting here arrived for you in your life on the basis of all the things that you believed to be true, then in order to go higher in any way in your life, whether it's your health, your relationships, your prosperity, anything that you can put your attention on, if you want to go from this place to a higher place, you're going to have to change what it is that you believe to be true. Otherwise, you're going to always stay here or lower. And changing what you believe to be true, this teacher that I read from, to make the transition from the ordinary level of consciousness to the level of superconsciousness, which I will be speaking about here tonight, involves such a fundamental renewal, such a dramatic change of personality, that few are prepared to make such a commitment to the fulfillment of their own dharma. Few people are prepared to make the commitment to change about themselves the things that they have come to believe are true. You just hang on to them. I want to read that again. To make the transition from the ordinary level of consciousness to the level of superconsciousness, where you can attract, manifest, provide for, get the right people, the right events, synchronicity becomes a way of life. Your intuition begins to be the thing that's in charge of everything. You trust, you know, you have no fear, anxiety disappears. Love is something that you live by. You see the unfolding of God in everything and everyone that you encounter, and you have expectations that all will work for you, and it does all of that. To make the transition from the ordinary level of consciousness to the level of superconsciousness involves such a fundamental renewal, such a dramatic change of personality, that few are prepared to make such a commitment to the fulfillment of their own dharma. I'm just assuming that you came here tonight and you parked yourself down and you voted with your feet and you paid your money, and that that is something that you perhaps would like to consider for yourself in your life. Otherwise, why else would you be here? Why would you listen to this kind of talk? If there wasn't something in you, some kind of a calling that said, I would like to be able to get past ordinary levels of consciousness. I'd like to get past ordinary in my life. Now, in order to change your concept of yourself and what you believe to be true, not only do we have to do it individually, but we have to do it collectively as well. I want to just spend a few minutes on the collectivity of what we need to change about our life. Collectively, as a people, there are things going on in our culture, in our world, that have come about because of things that we have come to believe are true. And enough of us have bought into them that we don't challenge them. My daughter, Tracy, who is my oldest child, she's what, 70? How old are you? 70? She's 42. She was with me when Erroneous Zones was published back in 1976. Toured with me. She was 9 years old at the time. I'll let you do the math. And went across the country with me as I took it upon myself to take this book that I believed in so strongly, to buy up the first 3 printings, to distribute them myself, to arrange at my own expense to visit every major city in the country and take any interview that anyone would give me and just allow it to take place and allow it to happen. Because I was motivated at that time by something I had read by Henry David Thoreau, probably the greatest definition of success I've ever heard. He said, if you advance confidently in the direction of your own dreams and endeavor to live the life which you have imagined, you will meet with a success unexpected in common hours. That is, you have to let success chase you. You have to follow your dreams. You have to follow your imagination.